welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to mirror your Android phone to your Google Smart TV without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you share the same network with your Android phone and your Smart TV. And how do you confirm that? What you need to do is, if you have not connected your Wi-Fi internet with your Smart TV, what you need to do is to simply head over to setting on your Smart TV right here. On getting to the setting right here, simply click on OK, and it's going to open up like so. Simply head over to network and internet. Now it's going to take you right here. So if you have not yet connected your Android phone device internet with your Smart TV, so you just have to make sure you do it right away. So like I'm going to show you right here. So here I'm using, you can see I've already connected with the same Wi-Fi network right here. So I've already connected with the same Wi-Fi hotspot right here. So this is the first thing you need to do. And this is the name of my Android phone has been displayed on the TV right here, which is Infinix Note 30. So you can see the connected internet Wi-Fi right there, which is Infinix Note 30. So that's the first thing you need to do. Once you share the same network with between your phone and your Smart TV, it becomes very easy for you to cast your Android phone screen into your TV. So now let's quickly see how you can actually cast your screen from your phone to your Smart TV. So what you want to do right here, so there are so many ways by which you can get that done. Now I'm going to give you one of the easiest and easy way to cast your Android phone screen to your Smart TV. So one of the first easy way to cast your Android phone screen is that you can simply swipe down right here from your Android phone, then click on here to see more. Scroll down right here and you see screencast right here. So what you can do is to simply click on screencast, and this is going to open up right here. What you need to do is to simply tap on this button right here, and it's going to discover your TV name right here, just like what you see right here. Next thing you can do is to simply click on the TV name. Then this message here is going to pump up on the screen, just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on start now. And in a few seconds, you can see everything here has been fully displayed on my Google Smart TV right here. So whatever I do on my phone right here is going to be reflected and shown on my Google TV, just like what you see right here. So whatever you do here is going to show. So if I decide to open up any app right here, so you can see it's going to fully display right on my TV right here, just like what you see right here. So it's that simple. Now if you want to disconnect this particular screencast or screen mirror on your Smart TV, what you want to do is to swipe down right here on your phone. Make sure you swipe down right here, and then what you want to do here is to simply click on here, scroll down, and then make sure you simply tap on this particular screencast right here, and it's going to fully open up this particular window right here. Simply tap on here and it's going to simply disconnect, and you are back to your Google Smart TV. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this on how best to use your Google Smart TV or any tech related content like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.